Are you living in the college bubble? That's rarefied air. The air is very different on the outside of that bubble.
Believe you were born to win. It's your right to win. Claim it, frame it, 'cause you were.
While you're in college, it's very easy to get used to the way things happen on a college campus. There is a syllabus. There are certain books that you have to read. There's a timeline around when you have to complete papers. You get very clear direction from your professors about what you need to do. That is a bubble experience. Once you are on the outside of that college campus, either in an internship or frankly, once you've graduated and you've now started your college career, things are a little bit more unclear. You may run into a boss that's not a great communicator, so they're not as clear as they need to be when they're giving you assignments. Now, in the world of artificial intelligence, the tried and true training programs that were prevalent in the 90s, 2000s, early 2010s, many of those structured training programs are now gone. Employers are now expecting you to teach yourself by using the tools that they have put at your disposal. It could be Copilot, it could be Claude, it could be ChatGPT, depending on what they are using. It could be Google Gemini. But almost every organization has licenses for their employees to teach themselves some of the basic skills around presentations, around building presentations, around giving presentations, around organizing any research that they might have an early stage professional to do. So it's going to be important that you have your initiative front and center. Now, when you're in college, while initiative is valued, and it may be highly valued in a classroom environment where that professor wants to see the students participate, it's going to be even more valued once you are in an internship or once you start your full-time job. Initiative is going to be one of those things that will be on your evaluative report card when it is time for a promotion or when it is time for a raise. The other thing that happens when you are in a college environment is you have a community of people that are already around you. These are people you go to every class with. These are people who are a part of the same clubs that you're in. There's a ready-made community for you. Once you are in an internship, there are new people there. You must again show your initiative to connect and build some of those relationships. He or she that shows that they are comfortable building relationships will be highly valued even in a 10 to 12-week summer experience. He or she that shows that they're comfortable in their own skin and it's easy for them to connect with new people will be highly valued as external client people as you are starting on your professional career. Even if you are working in a career as a researcher in a lab, being able to collaborate with other people within that facility, within that lab, especially if you're involved in something like drug discovery or some type of healthcare product discovery, being able to work easily with other people and communicate your ideas and pressure test other people's ideas will be important, especially if you don't have natural relationships with these people. Again, the college bubble creates and gives you a community. While you are there, you should be learning how to flex your muscles around building, initiating, developing relationships so that when you move to your summer internships or your full-time jobs, you will have that muscle well developed and it will be an asset to you as you're trying to maximize your success in the summer or the full-time role. The college bubble gives you rarefied air. It's different on the outside. Get ready. Go get them.